Dear students, my dear friends, today we will study any number subtract from 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. My dear students, there is Vedic maths video available on Maths by Kaka sir. Please subscribe the channel. Let us study how to find out 100 minus 78 speedily. Dear students, 100 minus 78, when we are going to subtract, then with traditional method we are subtracting. In this method 0 is not subtract from 8 is not subtract from 0, so we will take tens here 9 and this will be 0. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2 and 0. By this process we can get answer. But today we will study how we get answer within second 100 minus 78. In 1 second directly we can write the answer. Let us study what is the process. First of all, here 2 0 and here 2 digit. There should same digit. Rules is that all from 9 and second last from 10. Remember this two sentence. 7 subtract from 9 means 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. And 8 subtract from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then directly we can write 22. Last we will subtract from 10 and other than last we will subtract from 9. Let us try to understand one more. 2 zeros and 2 digit. First condition is clear. 3 and 6 is 9. 4 plus 6 is 10. These two number total will 10 and these two number total will 9. 66 is our answer. 100 minus 92. 2 zeros, 2 digit. 9's complement is 0 and 2 subtract from 10 is 8. 08 is answer. Same way we can write 100 minus 13. 1 8 and 3 7 means the total is 9 and 3 plus 7 is 10. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means 7, 5 and last from 10 means this will be subtract from 10. It will be 5 plus 5 10. 3 zeros, 3 digit. 7 2. 7 plus 2 9. 8 8 plus 1 9 and 6 6 plus 4 10. All from 9 and last from 10. We are going to subtract. In this method you can get answer very quickly. Let's study one more example. Here 7th example, 1000 minus 167. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means 1 8 9. 6 plus 3 9 and this will be subtract from 10. 7 plus 3 10. Here 4 digit 0. Here 4 digit number. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means 4 plus 5 9. 3 6 9. 5 4 9 and this from 10 means 2 8 10. Here same way 4 digit number. This condition first is correct. 9 plus 0 9. 7 plus 2 9. 3 plus 6 9 and this from last from 10 means 8 plus 2 10. This is our answer. So in this way we can write the right answer sharply and quickly. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 digit 0, all from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means 3, 6, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 9 plus 0, 9, 2 plus 7, 9, and last number from 10 means 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is our answer. 100 minus 8. Here 2 digit and here 1 digit. Then what will we do? Put 0 here. Here 2 digit and here 2 digit. The first condition is complete. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means 0 plus 9 and last from 10 means 8. 10 from 10, 8 plus 2, 10. 100 minus 7. 2 digit, 1 digit. Put 0, 2 digit, 2 digit. Okay. All from 9 means 0 from 9 means 0 plus 9, 9. And this number from 10 means 7 plus 3, 10. So 93 is our answer. Let's study one more example, very important. By the practice, you can write within second correct answer. 1000 minus 42. 3 digit, 2 digit. Put 0, now 3 digit and 3 digit. 0 plus 9, 9, 4 plus 5, 9, and 2 plus 8, 10. All from 9 and last from 10. This is our formula. That's 3 digit 0, here 3 digit. All from 9, last from 10, 0 plus 9, 9, 8 plus 1, 9, 6 plus 4, 10. 10,000 minus 647. Here 4 digit, 3 digit. Put 0. 0 plus 9, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. And this number will subtract from 10, means 7 plus 3, 10. What about decimal number? When the number is decimal, then how we subtract the number from 100, 1000 and 10,000 within second. Let's see the example. 2 digit and here 1 digit. So put 0. We understand in previous example. 2 digit, 2 digit. All from 9 means 0 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. Point and point. And this number subtract from 10 means 8 plus 2 is 10. So 95.2 is right answer, correct answer. In decimal, it is very boring to subtract the number. So by this method, you can do very easily and quickly. Let's study 100 minus 67.348. It is very difficult and boring subtraction. But in this way, you do very interestingly and fastly and correct answer. Here 2 digit, 2 digit. Okay. Then apply our process. All from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means this is all number and last is this number. 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 2, 9. Point. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. And this number last from 10 means subtract 8 from 10 means which number you will add here, then you will get 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 32.365 is our correct answer. All from 9 and last from 10. Let's study one more interesting example. 1000 minus 3.54624. This is big number and number is decimal. Then subtraction is boring. Let's do it fastly. Here 3 zeros, here 1 digit number. 3 digit number, here is 1 digit number. Put 2 times 0. First step is clear. Then second step will be all from 9 and last from 10. All from 9 means 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And point. 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 5, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. And last number from 10. All from 9 and last from 10 means 4 plus 6 is 10. So 996.453676 is correct answer. Dear students, in this way you can get very correct answer within second. Let us one more practice. 10 minus 7.256328. Here one digit number, here one digit number. So first condition is clear. Let's apply the formula. All from 9 and last from 10. This is last number. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 7, 9. And this number from 10 means 8 plus 2 is 10. All from 9 and last from 10. You get answer in this way 2743672. But decimal point is here. You can do decimal point here. Let's study one more example. Suppose here number is 3000. But 1000 minus 638, then our answer will be 3 digit, 6 plus 2, 9, 3 plus 6, 9, and last from 10 means 8 plus 2, 10. But when the number is other than 1 here, then what will we do? First of all, subtract 1 from this number. 3 subtract 1 is 2 first. Here 3 digit number, here 3 digit number. All from 9 and last from 10. 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. And this number subtract from 10 means 8 plus 2 is 10. So the number is 2362 is our answer. But remember here, the number is other than 1, then subtract 1 right here and repeat the process. Let's one more example. 50,000 minus 48. Then what will we do here? Here 4 times 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 digit. Make same digit here. Put 2 times 0. Then 4 digit, 4 digit. First of all, complete this step. Then all from 9, last from 10. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. And this number subtract from 10 means 8 plus 2 is 10. But this number is other than 1. So subtract 1 from here and put the number. 5 subtract 1 means 4. Put 4 here. Then 499, 5 is our answer. Let's, dear students, what about in decimal number? We repeat the same process. But this number is other than 1. Then first of all, we will write one less number. 7 minus 1 is 6. Here 3 digit number, here 2 digit number. Put 0 and make it 3 digit, 3 digit. Repeat the process. All from 9 and last from 10. 0 plus 9 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. And here decimal number, then put here decimal number. 4 plus 5 is 9. 8 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, and last from 10 means 7 plus 3 is 10. So our answer is 6967.5 5 to 23. Let's check it number by the calculator. 7,000 minus 32.4867. Then our answer will be 6967.5133. 5133. Then here number is 1. Here number will be 1. Let's check it. Why is 1? One more example. 13,000 minus 642.124. Then 3 digit. Subtract one number from here. 13 means 12. Here 3 digit, here 3 digit. All from 9 and last from 10. 3, 6, 3, 9. 4, 5, 9. And 2 plus 7 is 9. Then 0.1 plus 8 is 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. And here 4 last from 10 means 4 plus 6 is 10. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 7.867. Here why we are putting 1? Check it is once again. 7,000 minus 32.4867. 3 digit. 6 number, subtract 1, 6. Then 0 plus 9, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 4 plus 5 is 9. And here 8 number, 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 7 last from 10 means 7 from 10 means 7 plus 3, 10. So my dear student, in this way you can do the subtraction of zeros number. Any number subtract from 100, 1000, 10,000 and so going on. So my dear students, if you like this video, subscribe the channel and you can see more important and topic from this channel. Thank you very much, my dear students. Okay, thank you very much.